How is it, everyone? And welcome to your first class math tutorials. And in this tutorial, we are going to look at solving simultaneous equations using the substitution method. And the first step in using the substitution method is to make x or y, let's just say a the variable, subject of formula. So in this scenario, we've got two equations, 5x minus 19 is equal to 2y, and 3y plus 18 equal to 4x. So we are going to make 5x minus 19 equal to 2y, which is our equation 1. We are going to make x subject of the formula in equation 1. So the first step is to make x or y subject of formula in equation 1. So in this scenario, our equation 1 is 5x minus 19 equal to 2y. And if we make 5x subject of formula, it simply means we are expressing x in terms of y and the constant which is available. Meaning to say the coefficient of x is supposed to be 1 and the power of x also is supposed to be equal to 1. So if we say 5x is equal to 2y plus 19, we simply removed the negative 19 from this side and posted it to the other side of the equal sign. So our 5x is going to be 2y plus 19. Then if we divide both sides by 5, we are going to have our x as 2y plus 19 all over 5. So this is the subject of formula for x. So we have made x subject of formula in equation 1. And the second step is to substitute the subject of formula in equation 2. So in this scenario, our subject of formula, which is 2y plus 19, we are going to substitute it in the equation 2. And our equation 2, we are going to substitute it on x, because that is the value of x. So we are going to have 3y plus 18 equal to 4, open bracket. Our subject of formula is 2y plus 19 all over 5. So this is the step of substituting, and this is also where the term substitution method emanates from. We are simply substituting the value of something that we've made a subject of formula. And in this scenario, we have made x subject of formula and substituted the value of x in the equation 2. And then here we are going to simplify further. If we simplify further here, we are simply going to have a cross multiplication, because this is all over 1. So it's going to be a cross multiplication. 5 is going to multiply everything on this side, right? And here 1 is going to multiply everything. So we will end up having 15y plus 90 is equal to 8y plus 76. Here we are going to clear this 5 by multiplying it on this side, and then 4 multiplied by 2y, you get 8y. 4 multiplied by 19, we get 76. And then we group the like terms. So we are going to have 15y minus 8y is equal to 76 minus 90, right? And then if we say 15y minus 8y, we are going to have 7y is equal to 76 minus 90. We are going to have a negative 14. And then divide both sides by 7. Divide both sides by 7. The value of y is going to be negative 2. So this is how we solve simultaneous equations using the substitution method. So this was the second step of substituting the subject of formula in the equation 2. But if you look here, we only have the value of y. When we look at x, we've got an expression of x, or something that has been expressed in terms of x. So now for us to find the value of x, we are going to, this is going to take us to the step number 3, which is to substitute the value of y, that we found, which is -2, in equation 1, or in our subject of formula. You are going to find the same value if you substitute this -2 in equation 1, or in this subject of formula. So let's take the subject of formula first, which is x is equal to 2, the value of y, -2. We are substituting it on y, plus 19 4/5, right? If we simplify this thing, we are going to find the value of x as negative the value of x as 3. This is going to be the value of x if we simplify this expression here. So if we also take the same value of y, which is -2, and substitute it in equation 1, we are supposed to get the same thing. So you can just do that exercise and see if you are going to get the value of x as 3.